There's the boat that's going to take us to the Great Barrier Reef. And here's our group. Hopefully we'll have 16 when we return, plus Pat.
No.
Got ya. We're about to go in the water at the Great Barrier Reef. Here we are.
Yay!
And here's me.
Here you are.
Okay.
Have a look down. Yeah, no, that's good.
Woo!
Before I get started, we do have a permit to feed the fish, and I am simply feeding the fish. It's their natural food source, so we don't change their hunting behaviors. They just get a little bit of a top-up of food.
Whoa!
So that's why I get you guys to sit a little bit further back. These guys are incredibly fast-moving animals.
Oh, yeah, you're fine.
Whoa.
And our giant trevally, these incredibly large fish.
Trevally check.
They can see above the water's surface. So they can see this food being thrown, which is why they will move over to it. So the rest of the fish, they don't have a lot of chance getting the food when I throw it that far away. There's not usually humans throwing food in the water, which is good, but the reason they need this eyesight to be able to see above the surface, naturally, is to be able to see the seabirds if they are flying around. So any small seabirds that fly too close to the surface, these giant trevally can swim after them. So they will provide a tasty little snack. Alrighty guys, so that's the end of our fish feeding. Just a reminder, if you have any leftover buffet lunch, that's fantastic. Have a save a snack for later, but do not feed our fish any of your own food. You will make them very, very sick. And we love our fish. We want them to be around for as long as possible. Thanks for listening, guys.
Helicopter ride, yeah!
Going in the air.
We're leaving the safety of a floating platform and going up in the air. good, so good. She jumps up. And her arm goes flying into the water. We're on a reef experience boat, another day of diving and snorkeling at the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. About a 2-hour boat ride from Cairns. Okay, our second day of snorkeling in the Great Barrier Reef. Here we go. Go ahead, Derry. How is it? It's okay. Rebecca, turn around. There's Steve, Lexi. We all went scuba diving. Couldn't take my camera with me, but I ran upstairs. I got out first so I could film them. And the awkwardness of getting out of the water with the tank on.
Thank you. Say hello, you're on video. Turn around.
Hello.
You're
I think
famous.
I'm the last one.